I choked on that one. That was gross.
No. Sorry.
Gotta make sure you join in. This is Charlie. Are you happy, Smith?
Oh, shit!
Okay, don't get used to it because that's not gonna happen again. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna be reading some positive comments from my vlogs. Excuse me 1 second. Yeah. She goes outside. My father. Okay.
Don't watch this.
I am so sorry. There's a little laugh.
God.
Started filming. That was a good one. There's my
Hold on.
Excuse me. I don't miss him. Lights. Crunchy. Why do people like feet? I can't even talk.
Don't think.
One. There. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, excuse me. Love that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what y'all like to watch, apparently. 6, 7. Burp. Oh. Throw up. Oh. Excuse me. It's sorry. Just excuse me. Burp right now, actually. There we go. Excuse me. This. Thank you. Excuse me. Burp again. Excuse me. And he'll do ball hockey in the off season, like during like the. Excuse me. During. Figured out. So I'm gonna burp. Excuse. Okay. English.
Oh, that's literally like impossible to.
Give me a minute. Does that count? Can I burp now? I did it. I can't. I'm not doing it. Do I have to keep going? It's like sorry.
Who's more likely to argue with someone?
Room. Just because my bag is messy. Oh,
Wait, race her. Your cup was way less empty.
I'm really bad at chugging.
And she spilled it.
Oh, you're like, you okay? Thank you for watching.
I hope Coke is not just yours or what? Oh. Mandé ahorita el volumen.
The dice is hard.
Because it's out of the Earth's orbit, or the sun's orbit.
Just a jack up. James.
No, yeah.
Got involved. I'm sorry, I just threw up.
Okay, so, wait.
6 different channels. Charlie!
There's just no telling how far I'll go. I know everybody island seems so happy on the with me. I know I'll keep it going. But beyond that line, will I cross that line? Oh, before it goes.
Okay, bye guys. Have so much fun. Dixie, stop.
Ladies and gentlemen, Alexa Luria!